So recently I've been working with some art that needs strokes, but unfortunately Procreate app doesn't provide that, unlike in Photoshop. So I tried to explore, and here's what I got on how to make strokes. First is you insert a file or the text that you want to make strokes with. For me, I want to make strokes out of text. And let's make stroke as an example for today, as we choose our font style and our font size. We might as well want to choose our font color. But okay, let's try to make it bold because I want my stroke to be white. I think I want it blue, so I'll try to make this blue. Here you go. Okay, when you're done, you just recenter it again, and after that you duplicate the layer, and you rasterize the layer, and then we just have to double swipe on that, so we color it with the white, as it is the color I want to use as my stroke line. Then we put it behind and we Gaussian blur it. Now you unswipe it again and Gaussian blur it as much as how you want it to appear as a stroke. So for me it's fine like this, and we use the selection tool, and we make another layer and paint that layer with the color of choice. For me, I want it white. Then we unselect, and then here you go. Here is the stroke, but it's kind of messy. We can just paint it inside with more whites. Okay, we just drop some white colors, white paint onto it. Then it must be good now. Here we go. Here's the stroke. Better than manually doing it. And if you want to hide those little marks there, you can just paint over it with more white. Like so. Or you can also hide the big circles. And here you go, a stroke, white strokes. Thank you for watching.